Okay, I'm going to dig up some of these plants and transplant them that for some reason are just growing in the wrong place. I think it's a cornflower. Kind of got grown out in the driveway. Could be a forget-me-not, but no, I think it's a cornflower. So I'm going to dig it up. Kind of hard digging because it's gravel out here. There's so much dirt that's mixed in with the gravel that you can't see, but yeah, it's a gravel driveway right here. Okay. Back through here is where I cut all those bushes down. And gradually I'm going to just dig up all the raspberries. Looks like we've got some getting ready, and put them back there. They're better suited for back there. And then I'll just make this whole area here flowers. There's even a few strawberries still growing here from when I used to have a strawberry bed back here. And so right now I'm going to start filling in this area where the bush was with flowers. And I'll start with those ones I'm digging up out front. Okay, it's all in there, so I'm going to go get another one and just fill this whole area up with flowers. It'll be fun to see what comes up next year, considering all the stuff that used to be growing here. It used to be a flower bed before. Put the raspberries in here. A lot of lilies and things like that are still hanging on over the years. This looks like a peony growing their way back in here. Here's a daylily. I don't know what this is here, but it's definitely something I planted, because there's another one right here. So I'm going to dig it up and take it back there too. You can see how it's starting to bloom right here on top. It's starting to bloom right here on top. But it's out in the driveway and it's easier to mow without the plants coming out in the driveway. Okay, I think I got it. I need to come around here on the other side. Okay, I'm going to pick it up, getting as much dirt as possible and keeping it on the shovel to carry it back there. Okay, I disturb the roots as little as possible, which is important, especially when it's in dry dirt like this. In the hole, keeping it at the same ground level that it grew before. Here I'm having to hold it up because I didn't need to hold it, which is good.